not everything should go in your dishwasher.
No.
I know I found out the hard way.
Yeah.
On your side tonight, consumer reporter Don Dare reviews some items you should avoid putting into your dishwasher.
Cast iron skillets are beloved for their heat retention, but they require special care. Cast iron cookware must be seasoned with regular applications of oil, and putting them in the dishwasher will strip that right off. Thankfully, wiping and washing them out after cooking is often all it takes, although scrubbing with coarse salt will also work. Heat and water can warp and crack your cutting board, and the resulting cracks can breed bacteria. Hot water, soap, and a little bit of elbow grease should work wonders. If you have used the board for raw meat and are worried, try a sanitizing solution of 1 part vinegar and 4 parts water. Wooden spoons should also get the hand washing treatment. How about knives? Yes, your basic inexpensive butter knife can go in the dishwasher, but for those fancy and pricey knives kept in the cutting block, you should wash them by hand. The handles are often wood, which can warp or crack just like cutting boards. Blades may be carbon steel and thus are prone to rust. Detergents can discolor or damage the blade. And water jets, they can jostle them around, dulling or breaking the blade. Never put your fancy china in a dishwasher. Antique, hand-painted, or gold leaf patterns can discolor and fade in a dishwasher's strong chemical bath. So the safe bet is to keep those fancy dishes for the hand-washing pile, especially if they're a pattern you hope to pass down to future generations. Plastic storage containers can be a lifesaver for leftovers, but the quality of such containers varies widely. Some of the thicker, sturdier cartons are fine for the dishwasher. However, keep them and their lids together on the top rack, because if they touch the heating elements in the bottom of your machine, they can melt. It doesn't always happen, but these items with printed measurements on them with words, they can lose their legibility in a dishwasher's hot, steamy belly. Most glass measuring cups are strong enough to keep their markings for years, but plastic cups may not be. And don't even think about loading up that class of 1989 beer stein you bought back from the 30th reunion. Don Dare, WATE, 6 on your side.
All right, I was taking notes. I don't want to get yelled at anymore, so I know what not to put in the dishwasher.
Don't put plastic in there.
Don't put plastic in there. Also, you know, those certain types of ice cream scoops, too, you don't want to put in there. They kind of heat up themselves.
You found that out the hard way.
Well, you know, you live and learn. If you have a consumer question for Don, send him an email at ddare@wat.com. You can also call a 6 on your side hotline number at 633-5974.